Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to research stocks and ETFs on Robinhood. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and sign into your account. Tap the search icon and enter the name or ticker symbol of the stock or ETF you want to research. Select the result to open its details page. At the top of the page, you'll see the current price, daily price movement, and an interactive chart. You can switch between different time periods such as 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, 5 years, or all time. To understand how the investment has performed over different periods, scroll down to review the company's profile or ETF description. Here you can learn what the company does, or if it's an ETF, what type of assets, industries, or market sectors it invests in. Next, review the latest news and market updates related to the stock or ETF. Rating recent news can help you understand what events may be affecting the price. You can also check analyst ratings, price targets, earnings information, and company financial data if available. For ETFs, review the fund's holdings, investor objective, sector allocation, and expense ratio. Comparing several ETFs can help you choose one that matches your investment goals. If you're researching a stock, look at its market capitalization, dividend information, 52-week high and low, and overall historical performance. Take time to compare multiple stocks or ETFs instead of investing in the first one you find. Robinhood also allows you to add stocks and ETFs to your watchlist. Simply tap the watchlist or add button so you can monitor price movements without buying immediately. As you research, think about your own financial goals. Ask yourself whether you're investing for the short term or the long term. Also consider your budget, emergency savings, and how much investment risk you're comfortable taking. Remember that stocks represent ownership in a single company, while ETFs contain a collection of investments, helping provide more diversification. Many investors choose ETFs to spread risk across multiple companies instead of relying on a single stock. Once you've finished your research and feel confident in your decision, you can tap trade to buy the stock or ETF. Always remember that all investments involve risk, prices can go up or down, and past performance does not guarantee future results. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.